What's going on, Jello family? In today's video, I'm going to give you a 20,000 mile review of my supercar, the BMW i8. I hope you guys enjoy. All right, guys, so 20,000 miles. Let's start with the exterior of the car. So the exterior has held up pretty well. No major issues or damages with the car. As you can see, we just got the car washed and it still looks really great. We have the front. No major rock chips I've seen with this car. As you guys know, I have a Tesla and I see so many rock chips, but with this, the paint seems like it's much thicker and you're not getting a lot of rock chips. And this car has been driven 20,000 miles on lots of freeways, highways, you name it, and no major rock chips. I guess you have one over here. Oh, is that? Yeah, like the paint's kind of messed up here, but other than that, nothing crazy for 20,000 miles. And the only real kind of major exterior damage is just through the rims. As you can see, like the rims are kind of like worn down. They've had some degradation as from just driving the car, and there is some curb rash throughout the rims. So that is kind of one thing about the car. This here, it looks like the paint got scuffed. I'm not too sure what happened there, but not a big deal. There's a bug right there too. Overall, car looks really great still. Nothing crazy on the front as well as the back. So the back, we haven't seen anything crazy. As you guys know, with the i8, there is like a big kind of wind vent over here that allows the kind of car to cool down and go faster. Here is my spoiler. Spoiler got on Amazon for about a couple $100 and just kind of scratched up a bit, but nothing crazy honestly throughout the car. Here's the side of the car as well. No damage whatsoever. The carbon fiber tub, I've kind of noticed, is like a little kind of like deteriorating a bit, as well as there are some scuffs and scratches over here on the side rear view mirrors, because I'm assuming it's just going through car washes as well as just driving the car from its normal wear and tear. And then down here, you do have a kind of a PPF protection here to protect this from all the dirt and debris and the rocks that hit the car. So far that's held up pretty well. As you can see, it's just yellowing out overall. So overall, the exterior of the car looks really nice. I'll give you guys a full walk around of the car. Car looks good, just freshly washed. Some scratches around the car, but nothing crazy, especially for a car that's what, almost 10 years old now and 20,000 miles in, barely driven, especially throughout the lifetime of the car. So overall, car looks really great. Nothing crazy to complain about with regards to the car. So here are the rims as well. The rims look pretty good. No major damage on the car whatsoever, and no major damage here. So with regards to maintenance, I think this is probably one thing we need to go over. It's that the only maintenance so far that I've seen with this car has been the kind of the rear axle over here. So the axle here in the back, it kind of broke. And when it broke, it started leaking oil, which is what happens to most BMWs. And the dealer fixed it for about $3,000. So that was like the major kind of issue with this. Given that this is kind of like a hybrid sports car, that's actually pretty good that